Let's go.
Yeah, see you at the other side. Welcome to Mauritius.
So this seems like a very long distant memory, and here's why we want to do it all over again. Mauritius turned out to be one of the best trips we've probably ever done. Not just because of the fact that it portrays paradise almost perfectly, but because it helped our channel grow. And here are the top 3 reasons why we want to go back. So our videos from Mauritius took us from hundreds of views to thousands of views. We got more likes, we got more comments, and eventually Mauritius became one of the top geographies for viewers coming to our channel, and even got us more subscribers. So thanks for that, Mauritius. During our time in Mauritius, we went to see some of the best places they had to offer, including the Sugar Museum, Port Louis, the world's oldest tortoise, and also the islands, from where we could see some of the most breathtaking blue waters. However, we also experienced a cyclone, and whilst that in itself was quite a unique opportunity, it also meant there were some things that we couldn't quite see. The cyclone meant we were effectively stuck in our room for 3 days, and a few of the things we really wanted to do include the underwater submarine, which is absolutely great if you don't want to get wet and you can't swim, as you can literally go below water, look at all the wildlife and have an amazing time. It's actually called a sub-scooter, and it's called an underwater blue safari, so we were really gutted we couldn't see that. Another item on our list was a visit to the Ileoc Surf Island, mainly because of the bubble lodges, which are a VIP experience where you get to basically sleep in the bubble in the middle of the woodlands and get at the true natural experience. You even get your own butler. Finally, it's the underwater waterfall illusion that we really wanted to see. I was hoping we could get our drone high enough to see this spectacle, which is not actually an underwater waterfall, but it's the movement of the sand and the sediments below the water that create the illusion of a waterfall. If there's one reason to go back, it's for the people and their culture, which they're so really proud of. Their hospitality and the entertainment that they provided won us over. We had a great time with them in the evenings in the bar, where they taught us their folk dance, to the vegetarian food which they absolutely spoilt us with. So all in all, hopefully one day we get to go back to Mauritius. And for now, we leave you with Jalli learning how to dance. Allez, 1,